Hello students, welcome to the class. Like in last class, we have discussed about the Iron Age of human civilization. In this class, we will come to know more about the invention of human civilization, how human beings started to learn to make more and more new things. Under that heading, we are going to learn evolution of transport and communication. Now, what is transport? Transport are the means through which we can travel from one place to another, or the means which is helping us to travel or to carry goods from one place to another. That is transport. So, in the history of human evolution, how transport came to existence, like as we know today, the bus, railway, aircraft, ship, the different means of transport, how they came into existence, how they were invented. So in this chapter we will come to know about that. Now, invention of wheel was firstly took place by the wooden log. Okay, the human being started to use wooden log like this. Different logs were kept to carry a heavy stone or a heavy good, okay, to transport from one place to another, While using this, they came to know about the idea of wheel. Okay, before the invention of wheel, transporting wheel, they came to know the idea of wheel, which were helping them to make pots or pottery. Okay, so from that wheel they came to know about the idea of wheels, and after that they used, between two wheels they used axle. Okay, and slowly it was transformed into different carts, that is bullock carts or handmade carts. Is that clear, students? So one of the oldest remain was found in the civilization of Mesopotamia. Is that clear, students? Is that clear? So when the invention of wheel was done, human being came to know about the roadways. They started to pave roads, to make roads. Okay, now they started to pave roads, and the oldest paved road were found in the remains of Mesopotamia civilization and Indus Valley civilization. So they paved the road at first, according to the remains we came to know. Now next is, along with the roadways, water transport also came to existence. Now water transport, how it was developed? Firstly it was developed through this small canoes. So they were using small canoes to travel one place to another. Slowly it took the shape of a small boat, and like that water transport was gradually keep on inventing. Now when ships were invented, water transport was developed more because of two main reasons. Number one is trade. Human beings started to do trade from one country to another. Another one, because of the voyages from the different explorers like Vasco da Gama, Magellan and Christopher Columbus. So when they started to do voyage, the water transport came to existence more, and it more popular. Is that clear? Is that clear, students? So hope you understand well. The further part of the chapter we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.